So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm Kate. Today I'm gonna show you my mystery gift or mystery paper. And if you can see guys, this video is 2 years past. It's 1 year, but it is February 4, 2023. Today is 2025. January 14. So I'm gonna do it again. When I was 7 years old, I started to make mystery paper. So today I'm gonna do it. Today. Oops! Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's go start. So I'm gonna find this in here first. So if you can see guys in the video, we see in there, in the sofa, in here. So I'm gonna check it. So this is it. I don't want to change the place. Okay, there is nothing. Next in the shoes. Yeah, in the shoes. Yeah, in here. But we don't have shoes in here now. Oh, stinky. Okay. Nothing. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm gonna say it on my phone. Oh, in there. Guys, it's in here. Oh, where I put it? Is it? Oh my gosh, mystery gift. Wait, I'm gonna get the scissors. Joke. It has line in here. Guys, I see it. Ribbon, flower, pin, mystery gift. So let's see if there's more. Nothing. What's this? Ooh! There's a letter. Oh, what is it? My name is Kate. Please like and subscribe. So, what I say in the first is like and subscribe. Okay, it's so cute by the way. So I will show you what I got. I'm gonna show you what I got. Okay. Pink flower ribbon. And you don't regret is tiny or small letter. That's it. Bye-bye.